Hey, Brian from Garage Hall. Today I have VEVOR Pergola brackets, which makes putting up a pergola a lot easier. And I think that's how you say it, pergola. Anyway, so you have directions inside. You got a bunch of screws. And then you have all the brackets. So I'll give you a quick look at that. So that is what a corner piece looks like, and it has little eyelets up here, so if you're putting like a canvas or a tarp across the top of it, you can attach it to that. And they are a good fit, so when you're setting up your 4x4s, they slip on pretty good. So you might have to tap it in a little bit, but it's a good size. So that's one. Second one. We got a bunch more screws in here. That's your next one. Another pack of screws, so you got plenty of screws. And that is your last bracket. So you got 4 brackets, a bunch of screws, and then let me show you how to install it. So stay tuned. Okay, and to put the top on, you just basically put that, slap it in, then raise it up, and you're good to go. Okay, so in positioning this, you have obviously a little bit of wobble. So you want to make sure that you have it running straight down to one face, because if you have it on an angle like this, your beams are going to be running downhill. So you want to kind of push that up, make sure it's nice and flat and square. And this is a 5/16 drill head. And we'll put this one right here. Okay. Okay, so there you go, nice and square. All right, so if you have trouble getting into the beam, get a rubber mallet, and then you want to basically hit that down until it's all the way driven down. Okay, so that's nice and square in there. All right, so we did a little cheating. I sprayed a little WD-40 on the metal bracket to make the wood slide in a little bit better. And I had to sand the taper the ends so they fit in a little bit better. But it was a quick, about a minute on each side. We're good to go, so stay tuned. Okay, so here is the pergola all set up. Plenty of screws in it. I love the eye hook up there so you can put your own cover, tarp, or you can set this up where you can put a roof on it, and we are going to work on deciding what we're going to put in the center, but I think we may put a metal roof to match the garage and barn on the top of this. But what I love about the brackets is it gives you total versatility, total customized look that you can set up to any length that you need. And yeah, what a great kit. All right, Brian from Garage Hall, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.